To download Fart Killer on a PC or laptop, start by going to Google and typing in Hio or h.io. The first website that appears is Hio, which is a platform where individual creators and developers share their games for purchase and play. Click on the link to access the website, then use the search bar to find the game by typing in its name. Once you've located Fart Killer, click on it to view more information, such as features and pictures. When you're ready to purchase, scroll down to the Purchase heading and click Buy Now next to the price. The base price of the game is $1, but consider paying more to support the creator. You can adjust the price by clicking the plus button or entering a custom amount. If you want to give the game as a gift, select the Give this game as a gift option and enter the recipient's email address. Otherwise, enter your own email address to receive payment confirmation. The only payment option available is PayPal, and you can choose to pay the minimum of $1 or more. After paying, you'll receive a downloadable zip folder, which you can extract by right-clicking and selecting Extract Here or by searching for instructions on how to unzip a file. Once extracted, locate the Fart Killer executable file, double-click it, and the game will launch, allowing you to start playing.